Hello friends, in the last lecture we have to discuss about simplex method and now the next example of simplex method. Use the simplex method to solve the following linear programming problem. Maximize z is equal to 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 subject to the constraint 2x1 plus 3x2 less or equal to 8, 2x2 plus 5x3 less or equal to 10 and 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3 less or equal to 15 and non-negativity condition x1, x2, x3 greater or equal to 0. Now step 1. Introducing non-negative slack variable s1, s2 and s3 to convert the given linear programming problem into its standard form. Here are three constraints અને ત્રણેયના ટાઈપ લેસ ઓર ઇક્વલ છે. તો એનું ઇક્વેશન ફોર્મ બનાવવા માટે એમાં s1, s2 અને s3 એડ કરીશું. Maximize z is equal to 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3 subject to the constraint 2x1 plus 3x2 plus s1 is equal to 8, 2x2 plus 5x3 plus s2 is equal to 10 and 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3 plus s3 is equal to 15 and x1, x2, x3, s1, s2, s3 greater or equal to 0. Now step B. Since all bi RHS values greater than 0, j is equal to 1, 2, 3. Bi means 8, 10, 15 greater than 0. Therefore, choose the initial basic feasible solution as x1 is equal to x2 is equal to x3 is equal to 0, s1 is equal to 8, s2 is equal to 10 and s3 is equal to 15 and maximize z is equal to 0. This solution can also be read from the initial simplex table 4.3 by equating row-wise values in the basis B column and solution values XB column. Now in this simplex table basic variable coefficient CB value 0 છે, basic variable B S1 basic variable value small b 8 અને z ની કિંમત 0. To see whether the current solution given in table 4.3 is optimal or not, calculate Cj minus Zj. For non-basic variable x1, x2 and x3 as follow. That is Zj is equal to basic variable coefficient CB multiplied by jth column of data matrix. Maximize z is equal to 3x1 plus 5x2 plus 4x3 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. x1 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 3 છે, x2 નો 5 છે, x3 નો 4 છે, 0 s1 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 0 છે, s2 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 0 છે, s3 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 0 છે. તો એ વેલ્યુ સીજેમાં મૂકવાની. નાવ 2x1 plus 3x2 plus s1 is equal to 8. x1 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 2 છે, s2 નો 3 છે, x3 નથી તો એમાં 0, s1 નો 1 છે, s2 અને s3 નથી તો એમાં 0 0. સેમ એ જ રીતે 2x2 plus 5x3 plus s2 is equal to 10. અહીં x1 નથી. x1 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 0, x2 નો 2, x3 નો 5, s1 નથી તો 0, s2 1 અને s3 નથી તો 0. Three x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3 plus s3 is equal to 15. x1 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 3 છે, x2 નો 2 છે, x3 નો 4 છે, s1 s2 નથી તો એમાં 0 0 અને s3 નો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 1 છે. Since all bi RHS value is greater than 0, a value small b is equal to xb, 8, 10, 15. Now ZZ is equal to basic variable coefficient CB multiply by jth column of data matrix. Means ZZ CB multiply by 0 into 2 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 3 is equal to 0. સેકન્ડ કોલમ માટે 0 into 3 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 is equal to 0. Z3 0 into 0 plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into 4 is equal to 0 for x3 column. Now 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Zero into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Zero into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Now CJ minus ZZ, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. C2 minus Z2, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. C3 minus Z3, 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and C6 minus Z6, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Here are some calculations shown. These Zj values are now subtracted from Cj values in order to calculate the net profit likely to be gained by introducing a particular variable x1, x2 or x3 into the new solution mix. That is done by introducing one unit of each variable x1, x2 and x3 into the new solution mix. These Zj and Cj minus Zj rows are added into table 4.3. Now the values of basic variables S1, S2 and S3 are given in the solution values XB column of table 4.3. The remaining variables that are non-basic at the current solution have 0 value. The value of objective function at the current solution is given by Z is equal to basic variable coefficient CB multiply by basic variable value XB is equal to 0 into 8 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 15 is equal to 0. That means Z is equal to 0. Since all Cj minus Zj value greater or equal to 0, Z is equal to 1, 2, 3, the current solution is not optimal. Variable x2 is chosen to enter into the basis because C2 minus Z2 is equal to 5 is the largest positive number in the x2 column where all elements are positive. This means that for every unit of variable x2, the objective function will increase in value by 5. The x2 column is the key column. Now Cj minus Zj greater or equal to 0 મળે છે. એમાં લાર્જેસ્ટ નંબર 5 છે, તો 5 વાળી જે કોલમ છે એ કી કોલમ થશે. ત્યાંથી એન્ટર થઈશું and the objective function will increase in value by 5. The x2 column is the key column. Now step 4. The variable that is to leave the basis is determined by dividing the values in the xb column by the corresponding elements in the key column as shown in table 4.3. Since the ratio 8 by 3 is minimum in row 1, the basic variable S1 is chosen to leave the solution. Here minimum ratio, અહીં key column x2 છે તો xb ને x2 વડે ભાગવાના. xb 8 by 3, 10 by 2 and 15 by 2. એમાં મિનિમમ વેલ્યુ 8 by 3 છે તો 3 એ કી એલિમેન્ટ થશે અને x2 કોલમ એ કી કોલમ થશે. Now the basic variable S1 is chosen to leave the solution. S1 છે એની જગ્યાએ કી એલિમેન્ટ એ x2 કોલમમાં છે, x2ની વેલ્યુ 5 છે, તો અહીં 0ની જગ્યાએ 5 લખાશે અને S1ની જગ્યાએ x2 લખાશે. Now step 5. Since the key element enclosed in the circle in table 4.3 is not 1, key element એ 1 નથી, તો એ રોને 3 વડે ભાગવાની. Divide all elements of the key row by 3 in order to obtain the values of elements in this row. The new values of the elements in the remaining rows for the new table 4.4 can be obtained by performing the following elementary row operation on all rows so that all elements except the key element 1 in the key column are 0. Key element 1 નથી, તો એને 1 બનાવવા માટે પહેલી રોને ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 3 કરીશું અને કી એલિમેન્ટ જે કોલમમાં છે એ કોલમમાં બાકીના એલિમેન્ટ 0 બનાવવા માટે એના ઉપર રો ઓપરેશન કરીશું. Now R1 new is equal to R1 old by 3 key element. R1 old. ને 3 વડે ભાગવાના છે. 8/3, 2/3, 3/3, 0/3, 1/3, 0/3 and 0/3 is equal to 8/3, 2/3, 1, 0, 1/3, 0, 0. Now R2 new is equal to R2 old minus 2 R1 new. R2 old (10 minus 2) multiply by 2 into 8/3 is equal to 14/3. Now second element 0 minus 2 into 2/3 is equal to 4 minus 4/3. Third element 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. Now fourth element 5 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 5. Now 0 minus 2 into 1/3 is equal to minus 2/3. 1 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 1 and 0 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. And now R3 new is equal to R3 old minus 2 R1 new. સેમ એ જ રીતે 15 minus 2 multiplied by 8 by 3 is equal to 29 by 3. Now 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. Now 4 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 4. 0 minus 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. 0 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And now 1 minus 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 1. See, they are as it is. Basic variable coefficient CB, basic variable B, basic variable value B is equal to XB, X1, X2, X3, S1, S2, S3 and minimum ratio. Here 3 is the key element. એ x2 કોલમમાં છે તો s1 ની જગ્યાએ x2 અને x2 ની વેલ્યુ 5. x2. Now 8 by 3, 2 by 3, 1, 0, 1 by 3, 0, 0. 8 by 3, 2 by 3, 1, 0, 1 by 3, 0, 0. Now basic variable coefficient CB 0, basic variable B S2, basic variable value small b is equal to XB. (14 by 3 minus 4 by 3 0, 5 minus 2 by 3 1, 0. Now basic variable coefficient CB 0, basic variable B S3, basic variable value small b (29 by 3, 5 by 3 0, 4 minus 2 by 3 0, 1. Now ZC is equal to basic variable coefficient CB multiplied by jth column of data matrix. Z1 5 into 2 by 3 plus 0 into minus 4 by 3 plus 0 into 5 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3. Now 5 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 is equal to 5. Now 5 into 0 plus 0 into 5 plus 0 into 4 is equal to 0. 5 into 1 by 3 plus 0 into minus 2 by 3 plus 0 into minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. 5 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 is equal to 0. And now set 6. 5 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Now Cj minus Zj. C1 minus Z1, 3 minus 10 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 0 minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 5 by 3. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. And 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. The improved basic visible solution can be read from table 4.4 as x2 is equal to 8 by 3 S2 is equal to 14 by 3 and S3 is equal to 29 by 3 and S1 is equal to x3 is equal to S1 is equal to 0. The improved value of objective function becomes Z is equal to basic variable coefficient CB multiplied by basic variable values XB. Five into 8 by 3 plus 0 into 14 by 3 plus 0 into 29 by 3 is equal to 40 by 3. Once again, calculate values of Cj minus Zj to check whether the solution shown in table 4.4 is optimal or not. Since C3 minus Z3 greater than 0, the current solution is not optimal. Repeat steps 3 to 5. Table 4.5 is obtained by performing following row operations to enter variables x3 into the basis and to drive out s2 from the basis. Here x3 is the key column, minimum ratio xb by key column. एट बाय थ्री अपॉन जीरो अव्याख्यायित है तो डैश 14 by 3 by 5 एंड थर्ड रो में 29 by 3 by 4 एमा मिनिमम है 14 by 3 अपॉन 5 त्याथी एक्सिस्ट थवानुं 5 एना माटे की एलिमेंट थशे की एलिमेंट ए एक नथी तो ए रो ने 5 वडे भागवानी अने की कॉलम में की एलिमेंट सिवायना बाकीना एलिमेंट 0 थवा जोईए तो अहीं R3 पर रो ऑपरेशन करवू पड़शे। नाउ R2 न्यू इज इक्वल टू R2 old divided by 5 is equal to 14 by 15 minus 4 by 15, 0, 1, minus 2 by 15, 1 by 5 and 0. Now R3 new is equal to R3 old minus 4 R2 new. 29 by 3 minus 4 into 14 by 15 is equal to 89 by 15. 5 by 3 minus 4 into minus 4 by 15 is equal to 41 by 15. 0 minus 4 into 0 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 into 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2 by 3 minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 by 15 is equal to 2 by 15. 0 minus 4 multiplied by 1 by 5 is equal to minus 4 by 5. 1 minus 4 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now new table Cj as it is, basic variable coefficient Cb, 5 basic variable x2, basic variable value b is equal to xb is equal to 8 by 3, x1 2 by 3, x2 1, x3 0, s1 1 by 3, s2 0, s3 0. Now second row, અહીં કી એલિમેન્ટ x2 કોલમમાં છે તો s2 ની જગ્યાએ x2 અને x2 ની વેલ્યુ 4 એ અહીં લખાશે. 4 x2 14 by 15 minus 4 by 15 0 1 minus 2 by 15 5 and 0. Now row 3. Zero S3 89 by 15 41 by 15 0 0 2 by 15 minus 4 by 5 and 1. Now Zj, basic variable coefficient Cb multiplied by jth column of data matrix. 5 into 2 by 3 plus 4 into minus 4 by 15 is equal to 34 by 15. Now set 2. 5 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 0 into 0 is equal to 5. Now set 3. 5 into 0 plus 4 into 1 plus 0 into 0 is equal to 4. Now set 4. 5 into 1 by 3 plus 4 into minus 2 by 15 plus 0 into 2 by 15 is equal to 17 by 15. Now set 5. 5 into 0 plus 4 into 1 by 5 plus 0 into minus 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. And now set 6. 5 into 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 0 into 1 is equal to 0. આ CJ values છે, આ ZJ values છે. Now CJ minus ZJ, C1 minus Z1, 3 minus 34 by 15 is equal to 11 by 15. C2 minus Z2 0, C3 minus Z3 0, C4 minus Z4 minus 17 by 15, C5 minus Z5 minus 4 by 5 and C6 minus Z6 0. Now C1 minus Z1 value 11 by 15 છે, greater than 0 છે, તો current solution is not optimal. Now CJ minus ZJ માં largest element 11 by 15 છે, તો ત્યાંથી એન્ટર થઈશું. મિનિમમ રેશિયો x1 એ આના માટે કી કોલમ થશે. તો મિનિમમ રેશિયો માટે xbને x1 વડે ભાગવાના. xb બાય કી કોલમ, ધેટ મીન્સ 8/3 upon 2/3 is equal to 4. 89/15 upon 41/15 is equal to 2.17. Now in table 4.5, since C1 minus Z1 is still a positive value, the current solution is not optimal. Thus the variable x1 enter the basis and s3 leaves the basis. To get another improved solution as shown in table 4.5, perform the following row operations in the same manner as discussed earlier. की કોલમ x1 છે, की એલિમેન્ટ 41/15 છે. की એલિમેન્ટ એ 1 નથી, તો એને 1 બનાવવા માટે રો 3 ને 15/41 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીશું અને की કોલમમાં की એલિમેન્ટ સિવાયના બાકીના એલિમેન્ટ 0 બનાવવા માટે એલિમેન્ટરી રો ઓપરેશન કરીશું. R3 new is equal to R3 old multiplied by 15/41. 89/15 multiplied by 15/41. 41/15 multiplied by 15/41. 0 multiplied by 15/41. 0 multiplied by 15/41. Minus 2/15 multiplied by 15/41. Minus 4/5 multiplied by 15/41. And next element 1 multiplied by 15/41. Now R1 new is equal to R1 old minus 2/3 R3 new is equal to 8/3 minus 2/3 multiply by 89/41 is equal to 50/41. Second element 2/3 minus 2/3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. 1 minus 2/3 into 0 is equal to 1. 0 minus 2/3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 1/3 minus 2/3 multiplied by minus 2/41 is equal to 15/41. 0 minus 2/3 multiplied by minus 2/41 is equal to 8/41. And 0 minus 2/3 multiplied by 15/41 is equal to minus 10/41. Now R2 new is equal to R2 old plus 4/15 R3 new is equal to 14/15 plus 4/15 into 89 by 41 is equal to 62 by 41. Second element minus 4 by 15 plus 4 by 15 multiply by 1 is equal to 0. Third element 0 plus 4 by 15 into 0 is equal to 0. Fourth element 1 plus 4 by 15 multiply by 0 is equal to 1. Now next element minus 2 by 15 plus 4 by 15 multiply by minus 2 by 41 is equal to minus 6 by 41. Now 1 by 5 plus 4 by 15 multiply by minus 12 by 41 is equal to 5 by 41. And next element 0 plus 4 by 15 multiply by 15 by 41 is equal to 4 by 41. Now Cj as it is. Basic variable coefficient CB 5, basic variable value B x2 5 x2. First row na element (15 by 41) 0 1 0 (15 by 41) 8 by 41 and minus 10 by 41. Now for x2 62 by 41 0 0 1 minus 6 by 41 5 by 41 and 4 by 41. Now third row ટેબલ 4.5 માં કી એલિમેન્ટ 41 by 15 એ x1 કોલમમાં છે તો s3 ની જગ્યાએ x1 અને વેલ્યુ 3 અહીં આવશે અને એના એલિમેન્ટ (89 by 41) 1 0 0 minus 2 by 41 minus 12 by 41 and 15 by 41. Now Zj is equal to basic variable coefficient CB multiplied by jth column of data matrix is equal to 5 into 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Now 5 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 3 into 0 is equal to 5. Now 5 into 0 plus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 0 is equal to 4. Five into 15 by 41 plus 4 into minus 6 by 41 plus 3 into minus 2 by 41 is equal to 45 by 41. Now 5 into 8 by 41 plus 4 into 5 by 41 plus 3 into minus 12 by 41 is equal to 24 by 41. And now 5 into minus 10 by 41 plus 4 into 4 by 41 plus 3 into 15 by 41 is equal to 11 by 41. Now Cj minus Zj. Three minus 3 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 0 minus 45 by 41 is equal to minus 45 by 41. 0 minus 24 by 41 is equal to minus 24 by 41, and 0 minus 11 by 41 is equal to minus 11 by 41. Here Cj minus Zj લેસ ઓર ઇક્વલ ટુ 0 મળે છે, તો આ સોલ્યુશન એ ઓપ્ટિમલ સોલ્યુશન થશે. In table 4.6, all Cj minus Zj less or equal to 0 for non-basic variables. Therefore, the optimal solution is reached with x1 is equal to (89 by 41), x2 is equal to 50 by 41, and x3 is equal to 62 by 41. Now z is equal to basic variable coefficient Cb multiplied by basic variable value small b is equal to xb. That means 5 multiplied by 50 by 41 plus 4 multiplied by 62 by 41 plus 3 multiplied by 89 by 41 is equal to 765 by 41. That means maximize z is equal to 765 by 41.